Hello friends. Today's topic is taken from modern India. The title of the topic is Hindustan Socialist Republican Association and Gandhiji. HSRA, that is Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, was founded in September 1928 at the ruins of Firozshah Kotla in Delhi by Bhagat Singh and his Punjab group. Other members of this organization were Jatindranath Sanyal and Ajay Ghosh from UP and Phanindranath Ghosh from Bihar. Bhagat Singh in particular was marked by an increasingly deep commitment to Marxian socialism and militant atheism. Contrary to Congress history, the HSRA and its leaders were becoming genuinely popular. They were not fringe or outside element, operating at the margin of politics or popular imagination. The author Kama MacLean makes the striking claim that it is precisely HSRA presence and popularity that force or strengthen the hands of a nationalist movement. The civil disobedience movement, which was launched in 1930, may have been launched to preempt or prevent the challenge of HSRA from outside. A question is raised in our mind. Did the presence of this revolutionary alternative help Congress? The second one is, did the British take Gandhiji more seriously and anoint him their chief interlocutor or negotiator because of the presence of this violent revolutionary movement? British might have thought that it's better to deal with the Gandhiji than more radical groups like HSRA. We can say that non-violent politics of Gandhiji got the response of British state because of the potential threat of a radically revolutionary group to the British government. Perhaps more Congress leaders recognize this, but they would shy away to publicly admit it. Mr. Jinnah defended HSRA leaders in Legislative Assembly. Many of the Congress leaders continue to have a deep relationship with the HSRA. To conclude, Jawaharlal Nehru in his autobiography recalled the sudden and amazing popularity of Bhagat Singh in Punjab and North India. A confidential intelligence bureau account, terrorism in India, went so far as to declare that for a time Bhagat Singh bid or was positioned to oust Mr. Gandhi as the foremost political figure of the day. Thank you for watching my video.